Hello all, in this session we are going to see how to enable JavaScript errors in VS Code. So many would have wondered when you write some JavaScript code in your VS Code, you will see that JavaScript errors are not coming. Though it is coming for TypeScript, it is never comes for JavaScript. Today we will see how to enable the JavaScript errors in VS Code. For that I have a sample JavaScript code written. Okay. So this is my code. You can see this is sample.js. This is a simple application. Okay, I already have a simple application which have no dependency. Right now I've installed TypeScript. Okay, by this is my JavaScript file. Okay, you can see that the JavaScript, the issues are not coming, though there are many issues here. DD is undefined. Using let I have tried to redeclare, which is also an issue. Here I am not put let or var here. So there are so many issues, but it is not displaying in my VS Code. How to enable them? So for enable them, you have to just do a simple thing. You have to add jsconfig.json. Okay, you have to add this file jsconfig.json and add some compiler options. Compiler options. Okay, and here you have to say set js to true. And we can also say exclude node modules. Okay, once you add this file, right, you should be able to see the errors in VS Code. Here you can see it is saying blocked scope variable a, and it says that cannot find a, so you have to add some. Let's see here, and you can't have it like this here. Maybe I change the name, and it says dd is not, I am not able to find dd. Okay, maybe you can change this as dd. Now you are able to see. So for just enabling the JavaScript errors in your VS Code, just add this file jsconfig.json. So this file is like inherited from tsconfig.json. So whatever you are seeing here is actually TypeScript errors. Okay, for disabling these errors you can also add something like this. So you are actually seeing TypeScript errors, so you can disable like this ts ignore. If you do that, you can ignore this error. Okay, so you can and similarly you can make it not to check for a particular file by using at ts no check. Okay, so by this way you can also make that error not to come here. Okay, now if you do anything, it will not be it will not show errors here. Okay, so sorry. So as I told you, this is inherited from tsconfig.json. So it is actually showing you TypeScript errors in JS. Okay. Hope you are clear with this, and you are able to by doing this configuration you are able to see the JavaScript errors. Okay. Thank you.